Everyone, it's me, Jennifer, A Day with Jennifer. It's been a while, I know. Haven't been on a lot lately. It's been several weeks now. I just been real busy and kind of just going through, I guess, a funk, But hey, guess what? It is summertime almost. So we are first day of June. Of course, this is pre-recorded, but I am doing another collab with some know her as Kel's Mel Joy or Kel's Kitchen, which is Kelly, and then my aunt Pinkee Jean, from those that know her as well. And so I'm doing a collab. It's 21 days essentially till first day of summer. So kind of like the last time we did it, we're alternating days. So Jean is going to be the odd numbers and Kelly's going to be the even numbers. But I was going to do something, but I think I might change it up a little. So I tried to have a little fun with mine. I put little themes on each one of mine to the ladies, but let me just share with you. This is from Pinkee Jean. And she wrote, Jennifer, I'm so excited we're doing another collab. Can't wait to see what I got. Thank you, Jean. And Kelly said, Jennifer, thanks for doing another wonderful fun collab with me, especially another fun countdown. I hope you enjoy everything I sent. Feel free to give away whatever you can't use or don't want. I added fun little twist to this and included a postcard and question for each day. I didn't label the envelopes or seal them so you can hopefully reuse them. Same with the postcards. So just randomly pull out a little envelope from the big envelope, which is here. And on the day you want to open from, or the day that I opened from Kelly rather, there are no duplicate questions between you and Jean. I hope you have fun, and here's to counting down to summer. Kel. So this will be fun. So what I was thinking though is, I think last time I had like the little prayer cards that I read from. Well, I have another one. It's called Blessings. It's called Pass It On Pocket Pack. And I found this at a store in Linden, Texas. It's called JeansJunk and Christian Boutique. And it is a cute little, it's a Christian boutique. Jen's Junction and a Christian boutique. I said that wrong. I'm sorry, Jen. I started thinking about it. And so anyways, I thought it'd be kind of fun. I'll do these on the days that I open for Jean, and then I will do Kelly on the day that I open for Kelly. So today is the first day, and I am going to get started with Jean. I've got, here's Jean's box here, and Kelly's is here. And so let's see, I've got to find day one. Okay, day one. She's got little things on hers. Day one, great summer cooler, freeze first. You know what, I think I almost got these. Maybe not this one, but oh, how fun! Sour Patch. Oh, this will be fun. Who doesn't like a freeze pop in the hot summer day? Auntie Jean, I will definitely use this. I'm going to stick it in the freezer. Well, that'll be fun. Okay, so that was today's first gift. First countdown to summertime. And to top it off, we're going to just pull one out and stick it in the back like I did last time, I guess. So the first little message is called Blessings. This might hit everybody differently, and it says, faith in God includes faith in his timing. How true is that? It's a sweet little card. I'm hoping you can see it. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. Anyways, it's a sweet card. They're just adorable. And then on the back, it says, come on, focus, focus. Oops, sorry. Focus. Focus. There it is. Pass it on. Oh, Lord. It didn't want... And now I'm out of focus. Oh, good night. So, I'm back. Anyways, that's a nice, sweet message. Faith in God includes faith in His timing. And I think that's so true. I don't know how many of us try and do things in our own time, and it's not God's time. And so we try to rush things, delay things. I think that many of us go through that in our life. So I think we can relate to that, but we do need to remember it's God's time, not our time. And that's it for today. Come back tomorrow and see what I got. But don't forget to go down below. Hit the link to find out what Kelly and Jean got for their first day. All right? We'll talk to you soon. That is June 2nd. Bye.